Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install ASUS Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you have a LAN cable or Ethernet cable lying around in your house, okay, you got it to connect it to your router and to connect it to your laptop or desktop, okay? And once it's connected, you will have your icon right here that says connected, okay? So what you'll do is just go ahead over to your search bar and type down System Update, like so, and just click on check for updates. Now, if there are available updates right here, just click on check for updates, okay? If there are available updates right here, just go and install those. Now, once done, don't restart your computer yet. Go to advanced options right here, and then just click on optional updates, okay? Most of your drivers right here could be an audio driver, graphics drivers, and especially your Wi-Fi drivers will be available here as well. So install everything right here, and once done, restart your computer, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, another option is by going to the ASUS support site. Okay, just open up your favorite browser. And if you don't have Ethernet, don't worry, this one will work. You can go ahead and use your phone. Okay, basically use your phone or another computer and just go to your favorite browser again and just find ASUS drivers. Hit on enter. Now click on a download center right here, which is from ASUS itself. Click on it or tap on it if you're using phone. Now go and find your device model right here. For example, you have ASUS TUF, okay? Maybe gaming right here, gaming P1, and then the product type, maybe laptops, product series, P series, product model, maybe this one right here. And then once done, you will have the preview of your laptop right here. So just basically click on drivers and tools, okay? Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go and select the operating system, for example, Windows or Windows 10 32-bit, okay? It doesn't matter if you have Windows 11, it will work. These drivers right here will work, okay? Now, if you don't know if you got a 32 or 64-bit, just go ahead over to your search bar and type down System Information, okay? Just click on it and wait for it to load. And in here, as you can see, you have the system type, which is mine, says x64. So that means I'm going to download the 64-bit version. Okay, if yours says here 32-bit or x86, that means you're going to download the 32-bit. Okay. Now, again, it could be you're using your phone. You can just download the driver and move it to a flash drive or transfer it however you want. Okay, it could be via Bluetooth. Now, I'm just going to show you right here. Go ahead over to wireless. And you have wireless radio control and networking right here. Download both of these, okay? Download this one and download this one. Click on download. There'll be a download pop-up. Save it wherever you want or save it in your flash drive. Hit on save, okay? I'm just going to save it on my desktop right here. Wait for it to load. This one as well, okay? Now open up the folder. Right-click on the zip file and just extract it, okay? I'm going to save it on my desktop right here. There you go. Now we have the drivers and the install folder. Double click on install and just click on setup. Follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Okay. You'll be able to find right here that when you click on the internet icon, Wi-Fi will be available. All right. And there you have it. That is how you install ASUS Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.